mean, they're running over Green Bay. They're up 26-3 at halftime. And Skip, it was one of those remote, because you know me, and you know how quick I am to just give up on certain teams while I'm watching the game. I'll switch to another game in a heartbeat. But something's told me, Skip, something told me. I was like, you know what? I need to stick around and watch this game. You know, and I was feeling actually a little, yesterday, man, I was feeling a little bit under the weather. I actually contemplated calling in, and then I saw Green Bay score a touchdown. I was like, oh no, I took some Benadryl. Yeah, seriously, I made sure I got my allergies and all. I was like, oh no, I can't miss this, because I sensed what was going to happen. And sure enough, what happens? One touchdown after another by Matt Flynn. Oh, by the way, they did not punt in the entire second half. They scored on all 5 of their drives, with the exception of the kneel down. Oh, by the way, Skip Bayless, I had no idea, I had no clue. I didn't even realize that Murray had rushed for 134 yards, that he had averaged over 7 yards a carry, that in the 15 plays that the Cowboys ran in the fourth quarter, when they had the lead, they elected to throw the ball 4 times and run it just 3 times. I didn't realize that stuff, Skip. I didn't even realize that Tony Romo, you know what? It was a running play. It was a running play. It was designed to be running play, and they overloaded. So what did you do? You audible. You shift gears and you decided to throw the football. But even when you decided to throw the football, Miles Austin is open. You get the ball up to him. You loft it over him instead of throwing a line drive like you're trying to be a pitcher instead of a quarterback. If you had just lobbed the ball over, Skip, there was nobody behind him. It would have been a clear touchdown. But it didn't happen. And so what happens? What ends up happening, Skip Bayless? Your boy, Tony Romo, 2 interceptions. 2 interceptions in the fourth quarter. 2 interceptions in the fourth quarter. 2 interceptions in the last 4 minutes of the game. Skip Bayless, this is what I keep trying to tell you. And then afterwards, what happens? Dez Bryant leaves, even though that's not a big story to me, but Dez Bryant leaves before the clock winds down because he can't stick around for the kneel downs. And Jason Garrett is looking all befuddled. By the way, he should be without a job as a head coach at the end of this season. Monty Kiffin should be afraid to show his face, all right? Even in the booth, upstairs in the suite somewhere. I'm sure it's a posh one. Nice couches and cushions on the chairs and all of this other stuff. Then the list, and Jerry Jones himself, yeah, he addressed the media, and it was a horrific loss, and he understands it, but he'll find a way to sit there and spin this in a way where he can make money, because he's a brilliant businessman. Certainly not a brilliant football mind, but a brilliant businessman. In the end, the accident waiting to happen continues to show up. I keep telling you, they're gonna break your arm. By the way, this doesn't even have a bit effect on the NFC, because they're still in the same position they were in yesterday before the game, because the Eagles lost. It doesn't matter, Skip. They're setting it up like I told you. Whatever will break your heart the most, they will do. Take the floor. That's a beautiful. I can't wait to hear from you. It's beautiful to see you, by the way. It's beautiful to see you. I try to tell you, Skip. I try to tell you. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. Go ahead, man. I'm sorry, man. You know what? I gave you a hug last week. I'm gonna chill out. Yeah, are you okay?
Are you finished?
Yeah.
That's my question.
Yes,
Are you finished?